Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create private Trello boards. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Trello and sign into your account. The reason we do this is quite simple. You can't create a board if you're not logged in, right? Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the plus button. This helps us because it's where the option to create a new board is located. Now that we've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Create Board. You'll be taken to a new page where you can set up your board. Enter a name for your board that's relevant to the project or tasks it'll be used for. This is crucial because the name will help you quickly identify the board later on. Now, coming to the important part. Under the privacy settings, you'll see three options: public, team, and private. For a private board, naturally, you'll select private. This ensures that only you and those you specifically invite can view or edit this board. Finally, click Create Board. And just like that, you've created your private Trello board. You can now start adding lists, cards, and invite team members to collaborate. But remember, only the people you invite can see this board. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created your private Trello board. Now you can manage your projects and tasks with complete privacy. It's that easy and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, keep being productive. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Keep exploring, keep learning. Until next time.